Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Still working on the doors. Probably gonna be working on the doors for a while, so yeah. But stick around, I'll show you what I got done so far. Welcome back to the School of Rat Rodology, and a little shop where dreams come true. My name is Rat Rod Bob, and I build stuff. I got window regulators in. So I put these little punch marks in there all the way on everything, all of them, both sides. And the reason I've done that, I got a little piece of the window run channel, a little short piece right here. And you see, it's got a little lip. I don't know if you can see it or not, right there. And the idea is to get that lip. See, I got the little dimples on the inside to get that lip in below those dimples, like that, locked in like that, to keep that so it won't come out so easy. It's harder to, you know, the little dimples hold that in. They get that little lip underneath those dimples. A factory window run channel's got a little tiny bead rolled in it all the way down to catch that. So, but yeah, that'll work. It's gonna be great. Oh, one more thing. For those of you wondering how I feel about recent events in the United States, hopefully this visual will clear things up for you. I got window regulators in. They're from an MGB. Yeah, some of you guys have been with me for a while. You remember a few years ago I had the MGB up in here working on it and couldn't get the paperwork straight, so I kind of like scrapped it. And so these window regulators, how that MG worked perfect here. I ordered a power window regulator kit from Speedway, but there was no way that was gonna work. It was too big and bulky. The motor would have to go down at the bottom. And you see I just have a little bit of room. I don't even have room for it down there. If I put the motor down there, I wouldn't even be able to put the outside door skin on. So I had to scrap that idea immediately when I pulled them out of the box and stuck them up there. I said, nope, it's not gonna work. Too stiff, big, bulky. It might work for a full-size square body truck or something like that, but not, they don't work on this, just so you know. And I pulled some regulators. I did have some C10 regulators I was gonna try, but that was too complicated. And I pulled these out of the MG, and they's perfect. I mean, look how simple they are. I mean, it's just amazing. Kudos to the guys across the pond, the engineers that done that because, man, it's real simple and it works great. Window run channels are in. This one is fixed in place. This one is adjustable and you can take it out or adjust it to get the window in and out. And yeah, window is going up and down. I got one in the other side. Well, I made a window out of some paneling so I can get one of the windows cut, but I'm gonna show you how it goes up and down right now. Yeah, this paneling, actually it was too little thin, 1/8, the paneling was like 1/8 inch thick, so I took two pieces, cut two and glued them back to back to make a 1/4 inch thick, which that's how thick the glass is gonna be put in here. So, and I got it cut to fit. So now I can use this as a template to bring the glass shop and let them cut me two pieces like that for more glasses. And yeah, I got this same adjustable and removable. Goes down, up. Is that simple or what? Look how that regulator works. I mean, it just don't get no more simple than that. It's real easy. It's real easy to install. Well, I had to cut some pieces of fiberglass to make this thicker there and here to make it just, I didn't have to, but I did it just to strengthen that up. So this here is twice as thick, like almost a 1/2 inch thick there and now here and there. So I've done that on both doors and fitted the pieces in, and that's the end result. Now I can roll this all the way down to there. I can take this bolt out, pull this out, the window out, and slide this way, and it comes out of the channel right there. So I'll be able to change the window if I need to. One thing I hadn't done yet is with the outer door skin on to make sure I get the window in and out. I hadn't done that yet, but that's another thing I gotta do. But yeah, that's what I've been working on. I mean, it's really hot here. And so I've been working a few hours in the morning and taking the rest of the day off of pay because it just gets too hot. I mean, you can tell I'm old as dirt anyway. I don't need to be out here when it gets really hot. So I hadn't been. I've been working a few hours in the morning, take the rest of the day off. Simple as that. That's why it's kind of slow going this time of year, and it's gonna be slow going for the next couple of months probably. So there's that. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I reworked the top of this door. Remember, it was like bad, didn't look right, and it still ain't perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. I mean, if you guys go back and look at the other, I'll put up a picture of before and after actually, so. But yeah, it's better. Still not perfect, but I can live with this. I can live with it now. Yep, a little warm, a little bit warm. So man, it's hot here today. I'm taking the rest of the day off of pay. Appreciate you. See you next time.